Replace function replaces part of a text string. Depends on your specified number of characters with a different text string. This function has 4 arguments. In old text argument, select the cell reference that contains text in which you want to replace some characters. In start num argument, type number which specify the position of character you want to start replacing. In numChars argument, type number that number specify the number of characters you want to replace in old text string. In a new text argument, type text that text characters will replace in old text. In old text box, select this text string, press tab key. In start num box, replace new character interrogative sign at the place of exclamation mark. This is character number 1, 2, 3. Count space as character number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The position of exclamation mark is in number 12. Type 12 in start num box. Press tab key. In numChars box, I replace only one character interrogative sign. Type 1. Press tab key. In a new text box, enter interrogative sign. Click OK. Replace function replaces the interrogative sign with exclamation mark. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click replace function. In old text box, select this text string. Press tab key. Type 1. Because I replace new characters starting to character number 1. Press tab key. I replace the number 2019 with the number 1998. Type 4. Because 4 characters are in number 2019. Press tab key. In a new text argument, type 2019. Click OK. Replace function replaces the number 2019 with the number 1998. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click replace function. In old text box, select this text string. Press tab key. In start num box, I replace @ with character X is in position number 8. This is character number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This X is in position number 8. Type 8 in start num box. Press tab key. Type 1 because only one character is in @. Press tab key. In a new text box, enter @ symbol. Click OK. Replace function replaces @ symbol with the character X.